Hooray for me! I blew a power steering line! Yay! Stuck on the side of the 87 freeway! Woo! So that little cheesy O-ring, and then right here on the power steering line is blown out, and you can see the absolute friggin' mess that this has caused right here. I have somebody coming to help with a new power steering line. Hopefully they're bringing the right one, or else I'm going to have to try to find a way to bypass all this crap and see if I can drive home without burning up the pump, or just drive it home with no power steering, which I'm fine doing. But yeah, at least I broke down in a really pretty spot. Southbound 87, just out of Payson, is where we're at. How you boys doing? You having fun today? Having fun? Just hanging out, broke down on the side of the road? Yeah. Well, I've got the power steering unhooked. It's pretty much ready to come out of there. It's just still in there by a couple of threads, but I didn't want to take it out all the way. I have parts on the way. I managed to get the truck at least backed off the side of the road here, so at least I'm not sitting on the exact side of the freeway where I was before. But yeah, got a lot of cleanup to do in here. It's a mess. A lot of oily cleanup crap to do. Parts are on the way. They should be here in about an hour. Gonna get it replaced and make our way home. Well, we've made it back down to Phoenix. Everything's all good. Truck's still running good. Making our way home. I'm going to take a damn shower because I'm covered in grease. Brandy new shiny power steering line all installed, no leaks, it looks good. Got a little bit of residual fluid down there from when it broke, but it failed right at this coupling, and then down underneath the pump there's an O-ring that blew out right there. So yeah, that's fun. Cheap Chinesium parts strike again, because I just replaced this hose 2 years ago. So yeah, beware. But anyways, the truck's home. Truck's home, drove great, no leaks, no issues. Everything's all happy. I'm gonna get in here pretty soon and get the tires cleaned off, get all that oily crap cleaned out of there, and go take a shower. Because yeah, working on 30-year-old trucks is fun. Anyways, have a good night, guys. Oh, before I go, I just wanted to say that I did have a whole bunch more footage, because we went out this weekend to go on a nice little trip, but somehow in the world of, you know, internet, YouTube land, all of the video got corrupted on my phone somehow. So yeah, I lost a whole bunch of data and videos and pictures and all kinds of stuff of the whole trip that we took this weekend. So I'm just gonna kind of wing it with what I got. Anyways, see you later, guys.